Surviving the chill. Understanding, weather a cold snap. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit confusing at first: weather a cold snap. Whether you're an English language learner or just looking to expand your vocabulary, you're in the right place. Let's unfold the layers of this phrase together and learn how to use it in our everyday conversations. Weather a cold snap combines two concepts that are not only interesting but also quite relevant to our daily lives, especially during certain times of the year. Let's break it down. Weather, in this context, doesn't refer to climate conditions. Instead, it means to survive, endure, or get through a difficult or challenging situation. It's about coming out on the other side of a tough situation unscathed or at least still standing. A cold snap is a sudden, brief period of cold weather, often unexpected and sometimes severe. It's that surprise chill in the air that can catch you off guard after a period of relatively mild temperatures. Putting these together, to weather a cold snap means to endure or survive a sudden period of cold weather. However, this phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe getting through any sudden or unexpected difficult period. Now that we understand what the phrase means, let's see how it can be used in sentences. Literal use: we had to weather a cold snap last week, with temperatures dropping below zero for several days. Metaphorical use: the company managed to weather a cold snap in sales this quarter, thanks to their loyal customer base. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable to both literal and figurative situations. When using the phrase, weather a cold snap, keep a few things in mind. 1. Context is key. Make sure the situation is indeed sudden and unexpected. A long, anticipated winter doesn't quite fit. A sudden drop in temperature does. 2. Emphasize resilience. The focus is on enduring or overcoming the challenge. It's about resilience and making it through tough times. 3. Be mindful of tone. While the phrase can be used in serious contexts, it's often seen in more casual or conversational settings. Adjust your tone accordingly. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, weather a cold snap. We hope this video has illuminated not just the meaning of the phrase but also how it reflects the resilience we often need in the face of unexpected challenges, whether they're weather-related or not. Remember, English is a language rich with expressions that can add color and depth to our conversations. Keep learning and experimenting with new phrases, and you'll find your language skills growing by leaps and bounds. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. Until next time, keep weathering your cold snaps, both literal and metaphorical. And see you in the next video.